Hi, welcome to Fox ERP video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to manage leads, opportunities, and quotations in Fox ERP. Leads are prospects from whom you expect business in the future. To add a new lead, type new lead in the search bar, enter person's name, say, Amy Allen, organization name as Colin Technologies, enter lead's email ID, select source of lead. It will help you in future analysis. Save lead. You can assign a lead to one of your colleagues from here. Enter more details about this lead, like address and contact details. You can categorize leads using these standard fields. For further follow-up with this lead, you can send an email from the lead itself. Here is an example. You can also have clients reply to your email being fetched in the lead itself. When you know the lead's exact requirement, you should convert it into an opportunity. You will observe that all lead details are correctly fetched into a new opportunity. You can also create new opportunities when you receive an inquiry from an existing customer. Check this field to add items. Select an item code, say PlayStation 5 Disc Edition, enter quantity as 20, save your opportunity. Just like lead, you can assign an opportunity to one of your salespeople and ensure it's followed up regularly. Let's check how to create a customer quotation from an opportunity. Click on Make Quotation. With this, opportunity details will be fetched into a new quotation. You will also notice that the item price has been fetched from the default price list. Select taxes to be applied on the items from here. Select Terms and Condition template. Save your quotation. Let's check the preview for this quotation. This is how your quotation will be formatted and emailed to the lead or a customer. Now submit your quotation. Once the quotation is submitted, you will not be able to edit it anymore. Hope you found this video tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.